When it comes to maintaining your home, one of the most overlooked yet crucial components is the doors. Whether it's a front door that needs a fresh coat of paint or a broken hinge on a bedroom door, these issues can disrupt your daily life. Fortunately, door repair services in Birmingham can offer quick solutions to restore functionality and enhance the aesthetics of your home. In this guide, we'll explore the different types of door repairs available, signs that your door might need attention, and how to choose the right repair service for your needs. Common door problems and repair services. Doors, like any other part of your home, can wear down over time. Below are some of the most common door problems and the corresponding repair services. Broken hinges or hardware. One of the most common issues with doors is broken or worn out hinges. This can cause doors to sag, become difficult to open, or even become a safety hazard. Professional repair services can replace or realign the hinges and other hardware, restoring the door to full functionality. Damaged door frame. A damaged door frame can lead to gaps or difficulty in closing the door. Whether caused by weather damage, improper installation, or wear and tear, a professional door repair service can fix the frame, ensuring a proper seal and preventing drafts or security risks. Sticking or misaligned doors. If your door sticks when you try to open or close it, it may be misaligned due to shifting in the home's foundation, humidity, or general wear. Repair services can adjust or realign the door so it swings smoothly. Broken locks or handles. The functionality of your door's lock is critical for security. A broken or malfunctioning lock needs immediate attention, especially on external doors. Birmingham's door repair specialists can replace faulty locks or handles, helping to ensure your home remains secure. Cracks, dents, or warping. Over time, doors can become damaged by accidents, weather conditions, or general wear. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to warping, especially when exposed to fluctuating temperatures and humidity. Professional services can repair small cracks or dents, and in the case of severe warping, replace the door with one that matches the style and integrity of your home. Broken glass or windows. For doors that feature glass inserts, cracks or broken windows can be both a safety and aesthetic issue. Whether it's a shattered pane in a French door or a cracked window in a sliding door, repair services can replace the glass, restoring the door's safety and appearance. Signs you need door repair services. Not all door issues are obvious, and sometimes the signs are subtle. Here are a few indicators that it might be time to call in a professional. Difficulty closing or locking the door. If you have to force the door to close, it's likely misaligned, or the hardware is worn out. Drafts or inconsistent temperature. A door that doesn't seal properly can lead to drafts, which will affect your home's energy efficiency. Visible damage. Dents, cracks, or chipped paint can make a door look worn and unkempt. Small cracks can often be repaired, but larger damage might require full door replacement. Security concerns. If the door lock or handle is broken or unreliable, it's essential to address this issue promptly to ensure your home's security. Choosing the right door repair service in Birmingham. when selecting a door repair company, it's important to choose a reliable and experienced service provider. Here are a few tips to guide your decision. Look for experience and expertise. A company with years of experience in door repair will likely have the skills and tools needed to handle a wide variety of door issues. Read customer reviews. Online reviews from past customers can give you an idea of the quality of service you can expect. Positive feedback on punctuality, professionalism, and cost-effectiveness can help you make an informed decision. Get multiple quotes. It's always a good idea to get quotes from at least 2 or 3 different service providers. This can help ensure you're getting competitive pricing and fair estimates. Check for insurance and certification. Ensure the company is properly insured and certified. This gives you peace of mind knowing that the repairs will be done safely and to the highest standard. Local service. Choosing a Birmingham-based company ensures that they are familiar with local building codes and weather conditions, which may impact the type of doors best suited for your home. Final thoughts. Whether you need minor repairs or a major overhaul, door repair services in Birmingham can help restore your doors to their full function and appearance. Promptly addressing issues such as broken hinges, misalignment, or security concerns will not only improve the comfort and safety of your home but can also extend the lifespan of your doors. Be proactive, choose the right service provider, and you'll enjoy doors that operate smoothly and securely for years to come.